Good morning, Mom. I am Shirley J. Julie, and I'm going to perform the nail care. First, we're going to wash the hands. Then we're going to start. Then we will proceed to the procedure. So first, we're going to use the nail cutter. Then we're going to use the nail file. Then we're going to use the nail pusher. We're going to use this cuticle remover. Lagyan ko na lang ng background sa mga dito parts. Then going to the nail brush. Then nail buffer. Then we're going to use the martiolet. Huwag mo ipakita talaga lang ha. Okay lang dyan magsalita kay cut ko naman yan. Lagyan ko dyan ng music. Tapos magkita ito niyo, ang bulong naman ito. What's next? Then next, we're going to use the nail polish. Ito gusto mo? Bigyan ko na. Ito gusto mo ito. Lagyan ko lang yan ng sound. Okay lang magsalita dito. Huwag ka magsalita. Lagyan ko lang yan sa pwede naman kasi lagyan. Wala kasi ako pala talaga maglagay. Wait, agay lang. Pwede ka lang magsalita dyan, Lee. Ilagyan ko lang yan ng background sound.
Masakit na kasi yung lima ko di. Later na sana yan eh.
Huwag mo ikat, Lee.
Uy, ma'am.
After that, make it dry. Then after the nail polish dry, you will add the colorless. Dry na na. Okay, so the nail is already dry. So the nail is already dry. You're going to add the colorless. Okay lang, huwag lang ito na kayo. Never mind us. We're doing our... Di wala ba yung nag-lunch siya balay? Yawa lang po.
Sige.
Sabi mo dito namin. Ako lang po, or ito lang yung maganda. Then, we have our finished product. Sukali. Look how beautiful it is. So, thank you.